Okay, so in this video we're going to be looking at calculating the probability of any normal distribution. In previous videos we've looked at the standard normal distribution. This is any one. Now a reminder, the standard normal, this is the standard normal, had a mean equal to 0 and a standard deviation equal to 1. Now if you look at this question here, it's a question about light bulbs and how long their life is, I guess. Light bulbs have a mean life of 125 hours and a standard deviation of 11 hours. So they're normally distributed. That's a terrible drawing, you get the idea. Has a mean equal to 125 and a standard deviation equal to 11. And then we can answer these three questions. Find the probability that it has a life longer than 140, less than 100, and between 100 and 140. And we can use our calculator to do all of this. Now, important for each question, we draw a picture, again, standard normal, mean 125, standard deviation equals 11. We want to know the probability that a light bulb has a life longer than 140 hours. So there it is there. Now to calculate that, because it's going off into the tail there, we actually need to say that the probability that something has a life greater than 140 is equal to 0.5, which is all of, running out of colours here, which is all of that section, minus the probability that 125 is less than Z, which is less than 140. That gives us 0.5, all of this half of the probability, minus this bit here. And that'll give us this bit, this leftover bit. Okay, so pretty straightforward. You jump into your calculator, jump into stat mode. Oops, maybe you guys can't see that. Hang on a second. Okay, you jump into stat mode, distribution, normal distribution, NCD. Now, lower bound 125, upper bound 140, a standard deviation. The standard deviation of this particular thing was 11 hours, and the mean was 125. Now this calculator is a bit silly, it doesn't draw things for us, yours will. Okay, so the probability of that, 0.5 minus, where'd my calculator go? Minus 0.4137. 0.4137. Now I'll leave you to figure that out, but it's like 0.08 something. So our probability that one of these light bulbs has a life longer than 140 is 0.08. You can see that this is exactly the same as figuring out stuff for the standard normal. It's just that this is any normal distribution, any mean, any standard deviation. I was going to do these next two questions, but having run through that one and shown you how it works, I'm pretty confident that if you've done the standard normal stuff, you should be fine with this any normal distribution stuff as well. Good luck.